Welcome to our cooking video today. We are going to show you a quick and easy recipe for a delicious meal. Let's get started. The ingredients required for this meal are grilled chicken piece, a potato cut into slices, 1 chopped onion, green pepper cut into slices, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of black pepper, small spoon of salt, cooking oil. Steps to prepare this meal. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the onions and green peppers to the pan and sauté them until they become slightly wilted. Add the potato slices to the pan and stir-fry until they are tender and golden. Add the grilled chicken pieces to the pan and toss with the potatoes, onions and peppers. Add thyme, black pepper and salt to the pan and mix the ingredients well. Continue to stir the ingredients until the meal is evenly cooked and the flavors are blended. Your delicious meal is ready. You can serve it with rice or bread. We hope you enjoy preparing this easy and delicious meal. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.